Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess from both sides. To truly master the game, you must step into your opponent's shoes. This means constantly evaluating the board from their perspective, not just your own. By understanding their potential moves and threats, you can better anticipate their strategy and formulate a stronger defense or attack. It's about seeing the whole picture, not just half of it. When analyzing your opponent's intentions, focus on their most dangerous pieces. Ask yourself, what is their best move right now? And what are they trying to achieve? Are they aiming for a pawn break, a king attack, or piece development? By actively seeking answers to these questions, you can predict their strategy and prepare your countermoves. This foresight is a powerful advantage. Crafting a duel strategy involves balancing your ambitions with your opponent's. Don't just focus on your attack, consider how your opponent will defend or counterattack. Think about how your moves might open up weaknesses for them, or, conversely, strengthen their position. A good plan accounts for both offense and defense, ensuring you are prepared for various outcomes. Positional awareness is crucial for playing from both sides. Evaluate the material count, pawn structures, and king safety for both players. A strong pawn structure for one side might be a weakness for the other. Consider potential piece exchanges. Will it benefit you or your opponent more? Understanding these dynamics helps you make informed decisions and maintain a balanced perspective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.